So for this one, we are doing the back chrome piece of the Model X. What you want to do, obviously, you wipe it down. What we went ahead and did, is we removed this whole piece, so it actually comes off. And where it says Tesla, we actually took that off so that when we wrap this over, we can do a cleaner cut on it. It's going to be much simpler doing it that way. A lot of people actually get it off of a template, but I don't think they have it for this model specifically, which is completely fine. All right, you want to make sure that it's on the right height or direction. Put it right on. Cool. And obviously you need a trim, so let me grab my knife. Oh, nose. All right, knife. Cool. All right. Next thing, what you want to do, I'm actually going to start on this end and kind of do a pull so that it curves at the corners a lot better. So let's pull that out just a little bit. All right, start it off. Do a little slight pull. Oops, it didn't stick. There we go. Make sure that's in there. Whoops, slipped right off my hand. Hopefully you don't pull the whole thing right off. There we go. Come back over here, lift it up just a little bit, and do pull. All right, now that that's done, tuck that in, get that in, make sure it's all in. Cool. And instead of cutting it on the car, we are actually going to take this off and do a really clean cut on it. It's a little sticky right now. So first, let's pull this back so that it tucks right in. I do apologize, you guys, for it being a little dark. Lighting in here kind of sucks. And then from there, I want to just start making sure that everything tucks in correctly. On this side, let's pull it so that it does that natural tuck. Pull over here, make sure that's in. Cool. Make sure that guy's in. All right, and then from there, we can cut. And what I'm doing is I'm actually cutting all the way inside so that when we put it back on the car, you won't be able to see, or it'll look like it came from the factory. So let's give it some of that. Let's actually move it over like right here. I'm just following the line of this. Just like that. You can toss that out. And yes, you need to be careful of the foam in here. That's why I'm not cutting all the way in. we go. So far so good. It looks pretty clean. I'll leave the corners later. Make sure this bottom piece, there's no air that's trapped inside. Cool. I'm gonna start from here. Yep. You'll see where the line is. Right there.
It's so hard to get this off.
The trick with this is you're heating it up so that you can curve the corners. You're not overstretching it. You do that, give it a little heat. Just do a pinch. Just a mild pinch. And it'll look kind of like this, and that's how you want it. Whoops. See it focusing. There we go. Alright, and then how I like to do it, grab that corner, cut. Take this corner, cut. And you have a very nicely tucked corner. And there's no failure on this. Same thing on this end, heat it up. And pinch it. Oops. Pinch it. There we go. Grab your knife. Score it. One side, other side, and done. And this is how you chrome delete a Model X chrome piece in the trunk. What I'm doing is I'm pushing out the rest of the air from here. And now what you want to do is post heat this skin. So you can go ahead and put this back on for now. Got the heat gun, make sure it's on that low. Just run it around, run it out the corner. Cool, that's how it looks. For now. We're actually gonna cut out the Tesla wording on there. Let me actually kind of show you guys how it looks right now. So that's how it looks right now. But we're gonna cut out the Tesla wording so that it shows right through. And let me show you what it is.